So today I'm going to show you how to make this herbal infused shampoo that will help stimulate hair growth, fight dandruff and itchy scalp, strengthen your hair strands and improve the overall health of your hair. So if you think you'll be interested in this video, then keep on watching. So first you're going to need your beetroot. Beetroot has similar minerals and ingredients like that of black rice, which contains zinc, potassium, magnesium. It helps to stimulate hair growth. So I decided to dice mine into smaller sections before adding it into my blender. Then I'm going to be adding some water, then my neem leaf, which will help treat dandruff and itchy scalp. I'm also going to be adding my hibiscus flower, which will also help to stimulate hair growth. And finally, I'll be adding my rosemary, which helps to boost blood circulation to scalp, which stimulates hair growth. So once you're done, you're just going to blend everything together. As you guys can see, it's done blending, but it's not done infusing. So I'm going to be putting it in the microwave so it can heat up and infuse properly. So while that is going on, I'm going to be melting my African black soap, because this is the soap that I'll be using to make this shampoo. So once you're done melting your African black soap, we're going to be sieving it to remove all the impurities. So before this shampoo, I made a similar shampoo using similar ingredients. If you haven't seen it, the video is already out, so feel free to check it out after this video. So I'm going to be sieving my fluid now that it's done infusing. I have a total of about 900 mils, but I am only going to be using 450 for this particular shampoo. So I'm going to be splitting it into two. This is my liquid black soap and this is my fluid. So I'm going to be taking about 450 ml of my infused fluid. So now that I'm done taking my 450 ml, I'm going to be preparing a slurry paste. So I'm taking about 3 grams of my xanthan gum, then I'll be adding about 8 mils of my glycerin to create a slurry paste before transferring it into the fluid. I'm trying to create a viscous fluid so it can give my shampoo that shampoo effect, that viscous shampoo effect. So I'm using my mixer to mix right now because there's no soap, so it's not going to lather at all. So once you're done, we're going to be adding our liquid black soap into the mix. So you're going to be using your spoon to stir this time around. You cannot use your mixer, else you're going to end up with a lot of bubbles, which will take a lot of time for it to burst, break. Then I'm going to be going in with my fragrances. You do not have to use the exact fragrances that I am using. Use whatever you have. I am also going to be adding my preservative. Yeah, you need a preservative so it can have longer shelf life. So I eventually added the rest of the black soap. That is why the color is looking like this. It's giving this metallic brown color, this mercury brown color, which is really beautiful. So this is me showing you guys how I used the black soap on my hair. The first wash didn't really lather that much, which is expected because I used a lot of product and my hair was dirty, but eventually it lathered really well. Let me know what you think of this recipe in the comment section, if this is something you'll be willing to try, or if you have tried it, how it's going at the moment. And this is me showing you guys how my hair is looking. It's looking really clean. I love the feel. I love how everything it's going. See you in my next video.